I am going to use this alignment to generate a topographic model of this haul road using section lines. So I select the alignment and generate the section lines 50 meters along and 30 meters across distances. This will make sure I will be able to capture the entire topography along the haul road. In order to capture the topography, I'm going to select all the section lines and use Densify with the breakpoints option to capture all that topography. Then I select the surrounding boundary, push it to the terrain, and triangulate everything together to create this topographic surface. I can display the topographic surface as triangles or as contour lines, and it is now ready to be exported to a compatible CAD format.